Uh, I don't know how the public will take it, but kami as mga social workers, medyo lisod ni siya pod i-explain pohon sa mga clients nga mabiktima og CICL. But then again, the Supreme Court only fulfill the legislative intent of RA 9344 as amended by 10630. Ang pangutana, allowed pa ba sa balaod even beyond the age of 21 or 25 years old na ang CICL, maka-avail pa ba siya sa suspended sentence as provided by the law? The answer is definitely yes. Mao ni ang case nga gi-decide sa Supreme Court last April 2, 2025. And this month, 2026, nagpagawas og explanation ang Office of the Spokesperson sa Supreme Court regarding aning kaso. Ang CICL, when he committed the crime, 15-year-old and above siya. Ang ihang biktima sa statutory rape is 5-year-old. Pagka-found guilty niya, nag-appeal siya sa Court of Appeals, found guilty gihapon siya sa Court of Appeals, paingon dayon siya sa Supreme Court. So when the CICL reaches the age of 18 or reach the age of 18, ang private complainant nag-motion sila sa court para sa issuance of warrant of arrest, which the RTC did issue a warrant of arrest and nabutang ang bata dayon sa New Bilibid Prison. But kini nga kaso pag-abot sa Supreme Court, ang bata is wala na siya sa New Bilibid Prison but nabali na siya sa Davao Penal Colony. And ang bata is 25-year-old na siya. But pangutana, maka-avail pa ba siya? Yes, maka-avail pag gihapon siya. Although the Supreme Court upheld the conviction of the CICL and clarified the crime committed, not statutory rape but qualified rape, ang importante kaayo nga decision ani was that even at the age of 25, the Supreme Court still gave the CICL the right afforded to him to have a suspension of sentence. And giriman sa RTC para sa issuance of order for the confinement of the CICL sa agricultural camp or any training facility. According to the Supreme Court, if I may quote, the CICL must be given a chance to live a normal life and become a productive member of the community. Gihatagan sa Supreme Court the fulfillment of the law's legislative intent, which prioritizes the child offender's restoration, rehabilitation, and reintegration into the community. So para sa amo sa mga social workers, medyo bugat ni siya kung naay mga future cases nga parehaan og factual mileo unsaon na mo pag-explain sa mga private complainant. But then again, it is the law. The Supreme Court only interpreted what is written in the law, the spirit of the law. The spirit of the law is restorative justice. So mora pod ang gi-interpret o gi-construe sa Supreme Court. So let's go back. Pwede tagid gihapon i-avail. Even ang bata is 25-year-old na. What is indispensable requirement is that at the time when he committed the crime, he was still a minor. The case of People of the Philippines versus CICL XXX 265302. So para sa kumakauban ng social workers, let's do this.